was so beautiful. For whatever reason, my kupuna gave me that time to be able to learn about the Pauahi home, the Bishop home, and all of the residents that were there. And for a lot of us, that's our kupuna, yeah? But I also have, right now at this time of the year, they're also celebrating a Hawaiian settlement up in Utah in a place called Yosepa. And it makes me proud to know that no matter where you put our people, no matter where our people are placed, that they are able to find ways to sustain each other, to work the aina, to be one as a community, and to be able to make it work. And there was a beautiful settlement that they had up there in Utah, in Yosepa. Same kind of story I heard about Kalaupapa. And so one of these days I hope I get to go down and visit. Anyway, this is a beautiful song that was written by my tutu, never recorded except on her cassette, on a one of those little cassette recorders you could buy from Long's Drugs with the round handle.